Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude AI to create a full content calendar. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so Claude is a great AI tool that you can use to do several things. Today we're focusing on marketing. This is the prompt that I'm going to be using today. I'm telling the AI to help me create a content for my TikTok page. Here you're going to specify if you're creating content for TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, whatever it is. You're also going to try and always mention who your target audience is and also how much content you want to post every single week. You can also add stories depending on, of course, the platform that you're using and what type of videos you want to do, maybe educational content, funny, trending, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and click enter, and I'm going to give a few minutes for this AI to do its job. And there you have it. In just a few seconds, I was able to get a content calendar for my TikTok page. If you want to open it in your Google Drive, you can do that by clicking right here. That is something that I really like about Claude, is that you can incorporate everything into your Drive. So I can go ahead and read every video that it proposed for week 1, 2, 3, and 4, and maybe do some changes with your team in case you have a team behind it. And that is it, you guys. Always remember to check the information that AI gives you because it can always make mistakes. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.